Add 2 glasses of rice into a bowl. One glass of urad dal. 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds. Wash them thoroughly 3 to 4 times. To the washed mixture, add 2 big glasses of water. And let it sit for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. After 6 to 8 hours, to the soaked mixture, add half a glass of soaked poha. Mix well. Now this mixture will be used to grind and make a batter. So before making the batter, please make sure you drain the excess water. While grinding, please add water if needed so that it becomes a semi-fine paste. Once it is grinded, it should look like something like this. Once the batter is prepared, keep it aside for fermentation for 6 to 8 hours. The batter should look something like this after it is fermented well. Now it is ready for making dosas. Heat the pan in a medium flame. Start spreading the batter starting from the center, the way it is shown on the video. And let it cook for 1 minute. Add ghee. Add gunpowder as per your taste. Cook it for 1 more minute. Once the dosa is properly cooked, take out the dosa from the pan and it's ready to eat.